When you drive into Stockton, you're on busy streets wherever you're coming from, and then the moment you enter Stockton, you're just surrounded by these tall trees, these evergreens. You walk in and it's like, okay, I'm here now, I'm home, and this is my place. And it continues all throughout campus, the buildings and the dorms and the friendly faces everywhere. So the atmosphere, the environment you're in, combined with the people that are here, make that homey feel.
I actually was searching for schools in state that would be far enough away from home that my parents couldn't pop in on the weekends. Currently, I take all my classes on the Galloway campus, so it's almost like Stockton is my treehouse, but I live in Atlantic City on the Atlantic City campus, so I have almost a beach house as well.
My first day here, moving in, I actually found friends and we went out to AC. It's this piece of place called South End, so we all ate there and it was nice. I always travel to AC, Philly, because they're all a short distance, and also Stockton provides trips to these places. Like, I've been on the New York City trip for like $5 and it was amazing, yeah, and we spent the whole day out there.
I met some people at one of the Welcome Week events, and we took a walk around Lake Fred, and I got to meet them and learn about their lives, and they are my best friends today. I live really close to Stockton. I did challenge myself to have a real college experience and to not go home every weekend and to stay on campus and meet people and find my best friends, which I have done. So I really do think that I'm getting the best experience that I can by becoming really involved on Stockton's campus.
One of the professors that teaches acting here at Stockton, his wife is actually Elsa on Frozen on Broadway. He basically lets his students know that if you want it, go for it, chase it. Don't let anything stop you. Don't let what anyone tells you stop you, because it was planted in you for a reason. So you have to water that seed, let it grow. And the students here at Stockton, they're such my theater family. They're that exactly, they're a family.
Here at Stockton, there's a great veteran community, especially with the community leaders that are in place. Jason Babin, former Army, he's a great community leader and helps establish the community that we have now to provide a sense of brotherhood.
For me, in high school, all I did was run track, so I didn't get to be involved, and I didn't get to dig deeper and to find out who I really was and what I was capable of doing. So coming to Stockton, there's just so many clubs here, so it's just oh, I want to try this, I want to do that. And Stockton really gave me the opportunity, and we just had a Black Gala as well, which I felt was very needed and very important, because it kind of showed the minorities here that we do notice you and you are respected.
By the time I graduate Stockton, I'm on course right now to have over 500 hours of community service, which to me is something that's extremely important. While I get to put it on a resume and it helps in aspects for applying for jobs, it's something more so that has helped me grow as a person and has helped me to develop better qualities in terms of leadership.
Stockton, they offered so much more than just what's inside the classroom. The opportunities they offer with clubs and events and getting involved on campus and expanding your horizon, so much so that after your 4 years here, they will prepare you for a lifetime of success and a lifetime of opportunity if you take advantage of Stockton.